Good morning, Jamie's here, and today I would like to talk about the special prices. What we have here is a perfect way to selling multiple products of different categories to large variety of customers. Setting the pricing for the specific seasons is a significant task. To free you up during the busiest time in the year, SAP Business One enables you to set the special prices using multiple and flexible criteria. Here you assign discount percentage or a final price which is going to calculate automatically the discount percentage to range of selected items to be applied to a specific business partner. But this is not it. If you want to offer more dynamic pricing and keep your customers alerts, double-click relevant item to set additional discount rates within defined date range and volume. For example, let's say that too many printers are left in your warehouse and you want to make some more attractive offers. In the period discounts window, you can define multiple date range within the original date range in which the discount rate is higher. Double-click on selected line here enables you set a volume discount to be applied within the given date range. When creating sales document anytime between October 24 to December 30 for this specific customer, the printer will be offered with 10% discount except for the weekend of the November 4 to 7. During these days, this customer will enjoy 20% discount for purchasing one printer and 30% discount when purchasing two or more. After setting up with the best offers you may use the copy special prices functionality to apply your settings to define range of business partners and items. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope you can use this functionality on SAP Business One.